shake it like you move it, baby. Come on and dance with me.
What up, M Squad, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a Five Below let's see, Sweet Chaos popcorn review. So there's a retail store called Five Below that's near my house, and I decided to pick up these 3 bags. So this flavor here, so the name of the company is Sweet Chaos, and this is Drizzled popcorn. This is the black and white, so it's sweet and salty kettle corn with dark and white chocolate drizzles. Non-GMO popcorn. It was popped in coconut oil. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial colors or flavors. Made with cane sugar and sea salt. Okay, so that's one of the bags. It's gluten-free, and it's 150 calories for this whole bag, so that's not bad. And this is another flavor. This is peanut butter cup. Okay, so it's with dark chocolate and peanut butter drizzles. All right, and the third flavor is Cold Stone Creamery. No, I can't even pronounce that. Creamery cake batter. So it's with cake batter flavored drizzle. Okay, so I'm gonna do a product review on this, and we're gonna get into this video. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys. All right, so today is what, Wednesday? So happy Wednesday. Right now it is actually raining outside, so it's been raining since, I want to say, yesterday. So I already know, because my left shoulder hurts so bad. Like, it hurts like days before, so I can always tell when it get ready to rain, because my shoulder starts to hurt real bad. And the only thing that can actually take away the pain is actually peppermint oil. So if you go through that, some people can feel it in their shoulders, some people can feel it in their bones, some people can feel it like in their feet or in their toes. So if you are, if you have experienced that, maybe you need to try like some peppermint oil, because that's what I try, and that's the only thing that can ease that pain. But anyway, I don't want to go on and on about that, so we're gonna get into it. All right. Now, I done forgot how much these bags of popcorn cost. I think I want to say $2 at the most. All right. I love Five Below. If you have a Five Below in your area, I suggest you to go there and see what type of good finds they have. No, I'm not gonna eat this whole bag, you guys. So they sure didn't put a whole lot of cake batter on there. That's a little taste test. All right, so can y'all see that? It don't look like cake batter. It look like sprinkles. More sprinkles than anything. But anyway, amen. All right, come through cake batter. Okay, so when you taste it, you can actually taste the cake batter. They know what they're talking about, so it's actually cake batter with sprinkles on top. It's actually real good. It's real good. It's like a couple of kernels They left some stuff out. It's a little more caramel than anything. Y'all, that's thunder. Lord, that thing came out of nowhere. Lord. There's a window against the wall this way to my left. To y'all right. All right. That's cake batter. All right, so I don't too much like peanut butter like type chocolate candy, but I said I'm gonna give this a try, so let me give it a try anyway. All right, y'all, look at that. Let's get into that, you guys. Look at that, honey. Look at that. Lord bless my esophagus. Let me take all the goodness that is in this popcorn and this kernel, Lord. The chocolate drizzle in the caramel. Thank you, Jesus, for the chocolate and the caramel, Lord. Because when it blends together, it makes things taste so wonderfully great. Y'all, look at this. It's so good, y'all. Okay. All right. I think this kind is actually changing my views on peanut butter and chocolate together, okay? Let me get into this. All right. Bless it. All right, so y'all, I'm on my third bag. This is the black and white. Woo! I can't wait to get in this. All right. Thank you. Let's see. That's a little taste test or something. Let me make sure. All right, so this is how that one look. You can see the little white and the chocolate mixed together. White chocolate and so it's actually dark chocolate and white chocolate together. It makes you want to move that little right shoulder. This is so good, you guys. Now the drop one. Y'all better go to Five Below and get y'all some of this popcorn. It to be good for movie night, for a little midnight snack, a little snack during the little day, a little treat your little self, for the kiddos, a little party, a little get together. Yes, I'm true. This is my last one. Yes. All right, you guys, that was good. I love those 3 bags. Like I said, you can go to Five Below. There's Five Below that's not too far from him. I go there to pick up like little whatnots, little headphones. Like they sell like headphones, Bluetooth stuff, car chargers, phone cases. They have like makeup, bath stuff. They got even like sandals. They got clothes in there. They got books in there. They got toys. They got games. They got stuff for your house, little knickknacks. They got posters. They got all kind of stuff in there. And I love that store. My children love Five Below. I got them a lot of stuff during the summer, like for the pool area. My son for like football and basketball stuff. My girls, they got girly little stuff. I even got some stuff there too, some fingernail polish and stuff like that. But all right, so that was a good review on that popcorn. So like I stated earlier, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, okay? It's that little red button on the right side of your screen. Just hit it, click it, smash it on out the park, okay? And leave a comment or two down below. Like if you want to get in contact with me, you want to send me messages, if you want to send me anything, look in my description box. It has my email address. You can also reach out to me through my Instagram, okay? So there's a direct link. Click on that link. Click on that link. It's going to take you directly to me if you want to reach out. If you want to continue to support the channel as well, there are links in my description box to support the channel as well. So y'all have a Wednesday. Stay safe out there. If it's raining, make sure y'all drive carefully. And I will see y'all on the next video. All right. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.